Hey, this is my bike check. So, I'm gonna start from up here. I have ODI grips, Sunday tall T bars. I got them like 30% off, so they're a pretty good deal. Primo brake lever, Odyssey linear brake cable. I have stock Maricoda Butte forks. I have a Primo front wheel. I have Aaron Ross Odyssey tires. I have a Saprosa stem. And I have just generic pegs. They just got them off the bike shop. An S&M Hucker frame. I have a stolen sprocket, Sunday cranks, Odyssey twisted pedals, Colt chain, Colt back wheel, and that's it. Oh, I have a Primo seat and a Colt seat post. Okay, that's everything.